Downloading data from Peacock is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to successfully download your desired content. Step 1. Create a login to your account. Visit the Peacock website or open the app. If you don't have an account, sign up for one. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. Step 2. Browse content. Once logged in, navigate through the available content. You can use the search function or browse through categories to find the show or movie you want to download. Step 3. Check download availability. Not all content on Peacock is available for download. Click on the title you wish to download and look for download icon or option. If it is available, you will see the download option. Step 4. Download the content. Click on the download icon. The content will begin downloading to your device. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for smooth download process. Step 5. Access your downloads. After the download is complete, go to the downloads section of the app or your device. You can now watch the downloaded content offline at your convenience. By following these steps, you can easily download and enjoy your favorite shows and movies from Peacock. Happy watching!